Right now, the universe is expanding. Galaxies are slowly drifting away from each other, space itself stretching every second. But what if something changed tomorrow? What if, instead of expanding, the universe suddenly started collapsing? Scientists call this possibility the Big Crunch. It's the opposite of the Big Bang. Instead of everything flying apart, gravity would slowly begin pulling everything back together. At first, nothing on Earth would feel different. The change would start on an enormous scale. Galaxies that have been moving away from each other for billions of years would begin slowing down. Eventually, their motion would stop and then reverse. Once that happens, the entire universe would begin shrinking. Over millions of years, galaxies would start drifting closer together again. The night sky would slowly change. Distant galaxies would appear brighter and larger as space itself shrinks between them. But as the collapse continues, things start getting strange. Gravity across the universe would become stronger and stronger as everything moves closer together. Galaxy clusters could begin colliding. Massive gravitational waves would ripple through space as enormous cosmic structures crash into each other. Eventually, our own galaxy could collide with others much sooner than expected. The sky would fill with stars from neighboring galaxies as they merge into a chaotic cosmic storm. But the real danger wouldn't come from the stars. It would come from the temperature of the universe itself. As space collapses, energy becomes more concentrated. The entire universe would slowly start heating up. Radiation levels would increase, stars would burn brighter, and cosmic environments would become far more violent. Over billions of years, galaxies would compress into smaller and smaller regions of space. Black holes would begin merging everywhere, forming gigantic cosmic monsters containing millions or even billions of suns worth of mass. Eventually, nearly everything in the universe would be pulled into enormous black hole clusters. But the collapse wouldn't stop there. As the universe continued shrinking, temperature and density would rise to unimaginable levels. Matter would be squeezed closer and closer together. Stars, planets, gas clouds, and even atoms could eventually be crushed under the extreme pressure. In the final stages, the entire universe would become incredibly hot, dense, and chaotic, almost like the conditions at the very beginning of the Big Bang. And then, everything would be compressed into a tiny point once again, a cosmic reset. Some scientists even wonder if a collapsed universe could trigger another Big Bang, starting the entire cycle all over again. A universe born, expanded, collapsed, and reborn forever. Luckily for us, observations suggest this probably won't happen anytime soon. In fact, the universe seems to be expanding faster and faster because of something called dark energy. But the idea of a collapsing universe reminds us of something incredible. The cosmos is still full of mysteries. We're living inside a vast, evolving system that could change in ways we're only beginning to understand. And somewhere out there, the fate of the entire universe is still being written.